The brother said that the question he asked, that there are some Christians who speak in different tongues, who speak in languages that no one understands, and they claim to have spirit. What they're referring to is a statement in the Gospel of Mark, that anyone who has faith can speak in tongues. There's a statement in the Christian that the poison shall not harm them, and they will speak in different tongues, in foreign languages. And that's the reason when anyone says this, I tell, okay, if any Christian claims that he has got faith, I will give him poison, have in front of me. No Christian born so far has had poison in front of me. If they claim that they have the Spirit, and if they claim that they are faithful, and they are believers in Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, no poison will hurt them, and they will speak in different tongues. And the same thing when I had a dialogue with William Campbell, he says that he has faith in him. So I gave him a 100 rupee Indian note. And in the 100 rupee Indian note, that's 17 languages. I gave example, 100 rupees is in English and 100 rupees is in Hindi. I requested him to read the other 15 languages. Leave said speak, read it, he could not. That means he has no faith. He could not read a 100 rupee note in different languages. That means he doesn't have faith, and he gave the 100 rupees back to me. That means he lost the bet. So this is a statement in the Bible that people who have faith and people who are true believers can speak in foreign tongues and no poison will harm them. That's the reason many a times in a debate, when someone gives poison to the person who's preaching, never he has poison. He gets scared and runs away. That means he has no faith according to the Bible.